Hello everyone, myself Ujjwal. This is my first video on YouTube. In this video, I will try to give a short tour of my city, Banda. Banda district is one of the easternmost districts of Bundelkhand, Uttar Pradesh state in northern India. The city of Banda is the district and commissary headquarters of Chitrakoot Dham Mandal Banda. Mainly it is a city of temple. Lots of temple and mosques are situated here like Maheshwari Devi Temple, Bambeshwar Temple, Kali Mata Temple, Jain Mandir, Jama Masjid, Mahaviran Temple, Vindhyavasini Temple, Kali Mata Temple and etc. So let's take a view of some of them. So let's go. This is Chowk Bazaar, main market of the city. Actually it is very crowded here, but it is morning now, so there is not much crowd as compared to evening. As you can see, mostly all shops are closed. MD Temple or Maheshwari Devi Temple. This temple is one of the goddess Shakti Peeth. It is said that here Maheshwari appeared as a stone rock. Hundreds of people come to see the daily philosophy. A huge fair is held here on the time of Navratri. People come from far and wide to visit this holy place. And this is Babulal Chowraha, the most busiest place on the city. This is the main way to go anywhere on the city. Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, the school where I studied from class 6 to class 12. And this is the playground of the school. There are a lots of my memories with the school that I can never forget. Bambeshwar Temple, a very holy place. Bambeshwar Temple is said to derive its name from Bamdev Rishi, a sage mentioned in Hindu mythology as a contemporary of Lord Ram. The Shivling situated here is believed to be the oldest. Thousands of believers go to the temple every day to offer prayer of Lord Shiv. From the temple, the beauty of whole Banda city can be enjoyed. There is a huge mountain inside the temple from where the beauty of city can be seen. And this is the viewpoint of the city. Nawab Tank. This is situated about 2 kilometers away from my home. This tank has been built by the Nawabs of Banda and therefore it is known as Nawab Tank. By the way, this tank is very old but is still filled with water and in use. Near the tank there are some more places to visit, like in front of the tank there is a park named Van Vihar where you can enjoy your whole day, and Flora Nursery, a really beautiful place to enjoy nature's beauty